Custom Deck Creations is a customer service company. We simply happen to specialize in composite decks. Our passion is to ensure every homeowner, every client has a unique, unparalleled experience from their first call to years after their deck is built. Building a new deck at your home is exciting, but hiring the wrong contractor can be one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. It's vital to choose a company that values your home above their own business and sees you as more than just a job, but rather a partner in bringing your vision to life. Working with Custom Deck Creations, you can expect a process-oriented project management approach with a dedicated project management team who truly provides consistent communication every step of the way. Custom Deck Creations was founded on unique core values of which you can expect when working with us. Our favorite? Client experience above all else. We truly take the homeowner's perspective and care about each of our clients and their personal experience. We also hire around our second core value, exhibits professionalism and is authentically pleasant. We're open, honest, respectful, and considerate. Another of our core values, we unequivocally do what we say. We hold ourselves accountable, take ownership, and practice attention to consistency and detail.
It all starts with an initial phone call to learn more about what you're envisioning for your project and how you're hoping Custom Deck Creations can help. If we're a good fit for you, our composite deck specialists will prepare multiple immersive 3D designs of your new deck. At this same consultation, we'll also provide a full set of sample materials, a full cost analysis, and a beautifully written, detailed scope of work. Our team is obsessed with truly helping homeowners by devoting our time to honest education and consistent communication. Our craftsmen work exclusively with us and have decades of experience specifically building composite decks to a quality that far exceeds the industry standards.
At Custom Deck Creations, we use the best so you can expect the best. We use only the top-tier composite decking boards and installation methods that are above and beyond what code requires. Each deck is built to our own high-quality standards. We're confident that not only will you enjoy the entire experience with Custom Deck Creations, but you'll love your new, beautiful, maintenance-free deck for decades to come.